Hello, hello. Welcome back to Holistic Healing Savory Meals. Happy Monday to all. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a chicken, cheese, broccoli, and rice casserole. A quick and easy meal for the working moms, and it's healthy. You can also change up the ingredients. If you are a vegan, use vegan cheese or substitute with impossible meat or tofu. And you can do the same as a vegetarian. You also can use mushrooms instead of the meat. If you are a diabetic, please use your portion control when consuming meals. Also, please check your blood sugar before each meal. You can also substitute the rice for cauliflower rice. Make the necessary changes that you need to meet your dietary needs. Do not start or stop any medication until you consult with your physician. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.